Welcome to the Pursuit of God Transformation Center. If you are a member of the POG and not yet volunteering in any ministry, we need you. Please stop at the plugged in table on your way out to put your hands, gifts, talent, and time to work today. Pay your tithes and offering at thepursuitofgod.org. We're also accepting online giving in the foyer next to the bookstore. So if you forgot to stop at the ATM or you have no cash, don't worry. Stop at the station next to the bookstore and give accordingly. Or pay on your mobile device by using the mobile app Givelify. Download it today for easy giving. Tap, give, and you are done. Givelify. Donations to the church have never been so easy. Mark your calendars. You don't want to miss what's happening at the POG. Please note, the Blitz and School of Marriage Enhancement have been canceled for the month of March and will resume in April. Join us Friday, April 1st for Friday Night Fire at 7 p.m., opening the windows of heaven and invoking the presence of God in one power-packed night of prophetic prayer, praise, and revelation. Don't miss out. Do you know about the POG Empowerment Center and Pathfinders College and Career Center? If you have no clue or you think you know, then you need to come out to the grand opening for these two new additions to the POG family of ministries on Saturday, April 2nd at noon. We will have a reception introducing these two new awesome services to the community. You will be able to take a tour and check out what these new ministries have to offer for you. If you're looking to enhance your computer skills, increase your knowledge base, and prepare for college, then you need to be at the grand opening on Saturday, April 2nd at noon and bring a guest. Are you not plugged in yet? Are you still not putting your gifts and talents to work in your church? If not, or if you already are working, attend the ministry fair and ice cream social on Sunday, April 3rd during all three services. Get information about the various ministries at the POG and get a treat just for stopping by. We need you, so come on out, get a treat, and get plugged in by signing up to work in a ministry or ministries. We have several to choose from, and every ministry can use a helping hand. So we will see you Sunday, April 3rd before, during, or following any of the three services. Pastor Sheila will be the keynote speaker at By His Side Ministries for their Class in Session workshop on Saturday, April 9th, starting at 9 a.m. The speakers will be teaching on the balancing acts of ministry for yourself personally and for the family. Registration is free and lunch will be served. Flyers are available in the foyer with additional information. Come out and support our pastor as she brings a life-transforming word on balancing life and ministry. The ladies of XYZ present The Princess and Pearls, a night with the King on Friday, April 22nd. Come and experience a fun-filled night of free food, karaoke, a royal fashion show, empowerment workshops, and much more. The keynote speaker will be Miss Chrissy McClellan. Registration fee is only $15 and ages 12 through 18 are welcome. Come and experience a night with the King. Register today. Time for a vacation? If so, you should join Blessing Souls Travel on the Royal Caribbean Freedom of the Seas ship for the Gospel Concert 2016. A 7-day Caribbean cruise visiting Haiti, Jamaica, Grand Cayman, and Cozumel is what you need. See Elder Daphne Swansea for additional information. Please visit thepursuitofgod.org and like and follow us on Facebook. We are using social media in a big way, so stay connected. And on behalf of Apostle Ricky and Sheila Floyd, we say thank you. We are building up a people of purpose, passion, power, praise, and prosperity by touching, teaching, and transforming lives.